front of me is Realme Narzo N53, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Privacy. Then tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like, for example, microphone. Then tap on one of your apps, in my case Chrome, from Not Allowed section, and tap on the best option from the list of available ones. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I click and go back, icons that Chrome just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage and tap on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those options only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!